Hello friends, today we are going to focus on one of the basic topic that will be our variables in Python. A variable is like a box which with a name. Actually, we are having a box and we are giving some name to the box. That name can be anything. For example, we are taking the toys over here. So this is the name of the box and we are putting something inside the variable. The 5 means we are having the 5 toys. Okay, toys is the name of the variable and 5 toys are there, means we are giving some value to the variable. Here the same thing is explained as I told you. Now variable act like a container for storing the data, means we are storing this 5 inside the container. The container name was toy or the box name was toys. Now no need to declare the type, means we are not telling this variable that this variable of which type, integer, as we had done in our Java. So we don't have such concept in Python. So no need to declare the type. And some rules are there. Whenever we are declaring any variable, we do have some rules. Let's see all these rules one by one. For example, the first rule is variable name must start with the letter or the underscore. It cannot start with the number. Okay. Variable name must start with the letter or the underscore. Now see here, this is starting with the letter and this variable is starting with this underscore age and we are giving some values obviously. So these are valid. But here we are taking number, we are starting this variable with the number. It means this is invalid and we cannot start or we cannot use any special symbol in the variable. So this will also be invalid. Now see the second rule. First one was variable name must start with the underscore or the letter. Second, variable name can only contain letter, digit and the underscore, no special symbols. And like A to Z in capital and the small letters 0 to 9, no space or the special characters like @ hash mode etc. So valid, you will see some examples over here. User underscore name is equal to Savita, roll number underscore. These are the valid variables. Now see the next invalid variables. So we are taking two examples of each. So hyphen is not allowed actually and the full name space is not allowed, so these variables will be invalid. Now see the third. Variable names are case sensitive. Case sensitive means name. All name are different. Now they are different variables. These are different variables. Name is equal to Ravi, name is equal to Anita. So if we are printing, then we are going to get this output like this. So it will not give us any different output. So variable names are case sensitive. You will keep this thing in your mind. The fourth point is cannot use Python reserved keywords. Keywords are fixed words which already exist inside the Python. For example, you must have heard these keywords if, else, for, while. These are the reserved words which already exist inside the Python. So we cannot take such type of words, true, false, and the invalid like def, which is used for function in Python. So we cannot declare this variable. This will be invalid. Now the fifth point is no need to declare the type. X is equal to 10. And by default, the Python will understand if you are putting this 10 inside the variable, then it means this is of integer type. If we are putting any string under double quotes, the Python will automatically understand this is of string type. Similarly, likewise, the float will be there. Now see the sixth point, variable name should be meaningful. If you are writing this A is equal to 20 and the age is equal to 20, this is more readable and more it will make us better understanding. Sorry, let's come to the sixth point. Variable name should be meaningful. A is equal to 20, A is equal to 20. So A and the age, here the proper explanation is there. So we can understand from this age that age is 20 and from A We were not able to understand the things. That was actually not clear. Let's go to the seventh point. Variable can be reassigned. Python allow reassignment with the different data types. X is equal to 5. Now X is a string. So reassigned can be there. Python allows reassignment. So let's see the summary of the table. Rule, let's revise it once. Start with the letter or underscore. Contain only letter and the digit. Case sensitive. Not, we cannot make use of any keyword. No type declaration needed. Can change value or the type. So this was the concept of variable. Now we have seen what is variable and the rules for declaring any variable. Thank you so much for watching this video.